today ay gagawa tayo ng Harry's birthday cake. Okay, let's start. First, pick the pink colored paper because our cake is pink. Draw a circle for the top of the cake and cut it. You can trace the first circle with the round things in your house. It depends on how big is your cake. Second, draw another circle for the bottom of the cake. You can trace it with the first one and cut it. Be careful on the scissors. Now you have two circles. Third, for the sides of the cake, get the bond paper or white paper and then fold it into four and cut it in half twice. After you cut it, get the 1/4 sheet of paper and now roll it up to the end and put hot glue to make it secure. I put hot glue in every 3 rolls that I make to be sure, and when rolling it, the side will not be equal. It is okay. You can cut it, and now to close it, put the hot glue so it will not move. You have one roll, so you have to cut it into small pieces for the height that you want in your cake. You can cut the second one beside the first one you cut for the guide, so it will be equal to stand and continue to other pieces. Do it with the other 1/4 of the bond paper you cut. I use all the 1/4 I cut to have an extra, and it's up to you. Just continue until you form a circle. Fourth, place the roll you cut in the side of the circle you made earlier to make your cake sturdy, and put a hot glue on the bottom of the roll to stand. Do it to the rest of the roll. Cut it if it has excess in the size of the other roll papers, to be equal when you put later the other circle on the top. Fifth, make a long rectangular shape that can wrap up your cake and mark it with your pencil. Leave a 1/2 inch and cut it. Now make a cut in the south, east, and west of the circle. I did wrong, so it's easy to put in the cardinal direction so you can fold it nicely. Now put a hot glue on the top of the rolled paper and fold it inside. Six, put the other circle that you made earlier on the top of the cake with hot glue. You can cut the excess or fold it. In my case, I fold it with the hot glue. Now you have a form of a circle cake. I am happy with the size of my cake. 7. Write Happy Birthday Harry on the top of the cake with a pencil so you can erase and redo it if you make a mistake, and put the details to it so it is magical. If you are satisfied, proceed to 8. Trace it with a hot glue gun. Be careful of the glue gun. Now I am done with Happy, and I am removing the web or excess of the hot glue to make it look clean. Then I continue the rest of the letters. I just want the letter Y in Harry is long to have a style. I just want to share with you the fun fact. Did you know the spelling of Happy Birthday Harry in the film is wrong spelling? It is spelled Happy Birthday Harry, and the frosting is color pink, but the icing is still green. In the books, the spelling is correct, and it is chocolate frosting with green icing. So to make it fun, we will do the version in the movie. Now let it cool, and while we are waiting it to cool, we will do the box of the cake. First, grab a bond paper and make a square size paper. Or if you have the square size paper, it must be color white because our box cake is white. Me, I am using my used bond paper so it will not be a waste. Now we have a square size paper. Fold it into a triangle shape. Now we have an X. Second, fold each of the four corners to the center and crease the fold with your finger. Third, fold the top and bottom edges to the center of the square and crease the edges of both folds to secure it. Fourth, unfold the square along one side, unfold the halfway folds and the triangles beneath those folds and leave the side triangles folded in. I am a bit struggling in this part, but I did it. Fifth, fold into half 2 times to make a scoring and open again. 6. The both two sides of the corner fold or pull in inside and fold the rest of the scoring and do it to the other two sides of the box. Glue the two triangle in the inside to secure it. Now you have a box and we need to cover to complete the box. Six. Use the long rectangle shape for the cover. Fold it into 4. Measure it if it is fit in the box and cut it if it's not. Me, I cut it and it is fit. Now glue it and cover the box. Now you complete the box and you have a box of the cake. Let's go back to the cake. It is now cool. Get your small paintbrush, color green paint because the color of the letter is green and it's time to paint the letter. It is hard not to make a mess, but it is fun to do, and I carefully paint it. Now grab the pen marker. It must be color pink or dark pink and trace the details in the cake. I am just cleaning the excess of the glue gun. You can put a fake icing in the 2 or 4 sides inside of the box using hot glue gun and paint it pink marker to make it realistic, but for me it is okay. You can also put a pink ribbon to make it more realistic. The box fits for the cake. I am so happy. It is done. We have a happy birthday Harry cake from Hagrid. It is not so beautiful but I like it. That's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in my next crafting video. I hope you like it. Bye!